everybody, welcome to a new video. In this one I will show you a really awesome piece of software that will allow you to create WordPress websites without having the need of a hosting service. So if you don't have a paying hosting package where you can put on temporary websites, you can also use this software and the website will be hosted on your own server on your PC. So it allows you to make websites for free. Actually, you can make WordPress websites that have all the functionality as a normal one, but they are just hosted, self-hosted on your own PC. So let me show you. This is inside of the software where I've already installed it. You saw the website just a minute ago where we can click on create a new site. If we click on this, we will get two options. We can create a new one, or we can create from a blueprint. And that means if you use the same theme or the same set of plugins all the time, it will import those by default. But now we're going to start with a new site. Just gonna type in a random name. You can choose whatever you want for your website. Often this is just a name like you would put it in the customizer in WordPress as well. So I'm just going to put in testing site for YouTube, and then you have two advanced options, but normally you should leave those like they are. This is not really important. And then you can set the preferred options or custom options. Custom options allows you to set the PHP version, which type of server and which type of database that you want. If you use the preferred settings, then it will install some default settings where you can see a certain PHP version. Yeah. Then you just have to create a username with a password and a WordPress email. I'm just gonna make it fictive. It's not a real email address, just for the demo purposes. And then you can select a multi-site if you're creating a multi-site. Now it's going to load for a little while, and it's just going to create our website. I'm on a Mac, so it doesn't allow me to make changes without putting in my passwords. It's installing and downloading WordPress to the server on your computer now. And then as soon as it's done, you see now it is actually ready. We can still change the PHP version, we can still change the web server, then it just needs a little download to import those new settings. So we see here the PHP version is 7.4.1 by default, but we can change it afterwards if you want to check the newest PHP version. Yeah, this is the same for the server. Then we can click on one-click admin. This allows us to log in just by pressing this button. It will immediately go to the dashboard and we're logged in without having to put in our password. And you see this is looking exactly like a normal WordPress website, and it is exactly like a WordPress website. And it will work as long as you test it on your own computer. So if I open up an incognito and I paste it in, you see even in incognito mode this still works perfectly fine, but it's a website hosted on your own computer. So from another computer you won't be able to access the site, of course, because the server only exists on your own PC. The cool thing is that everything works like a normal WordPress website, so you can browse through the themes, we can search for the Kadence theme, we can install the Kadence theme, and we can activate it without any problem, and you will see everything is exactly like a normal WordPress install. But I did not install this on a hosting package, so this is completely free. It's a free software and just allows you to mess around, to test everything that you want. And you can, if you're happy with the results of your website, you can then afterwards import that site inside of a real hosting package, so it's completely as to your liking. Okay, hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.